Hello everyone, this is Tech20 and today we're going to be covering how to unhide and hide cells as well as sheets. So today we have a data set here that we're working with. We have everything showing. We have both sheets showing. Both sheets are exactly the same content, but we're going to go ahead and hide this. We right click, hide. Let's go ahead and make a couple other sheets as well. So we'll hide those as well. Right click, hide, right click, hide. What you do is you'll right click and then select Unhide, or you can hit select all sheets. Sorry, just click Unhide and then select all sheets. Sheet 1 unhide. You can just unhide them like that. And one more. All unhidden. So we'll go ahead and go back to sheet 1, and let's say we just wanted the first name and last name. We don't need the phone number or the account number. We just want to know everybody's balance. So you want to go ahead and hide these. So you right click on that, select hide. Now you need to get those back. Well, you have two different ways of doing that. You can either go ahead up here where you see those two lines up here and the two arrows pointing either way. Right click there and then click unhide and hope that you got it exactly right. And it'll unhide both of those since you did that at the same time. Or if you hide them, you click out. Then you come back here and you do unhide again. It will only do one row, and it's the most recent row that you did if you click out of it. So what we want to do is we'll have both of them back again. We'll go ahead and rehide them. If you want to unhide everything at the same time, what you're going to want to do is click on this arrow here. You see this? It selects the entire spreadsheet for you. You'll come over here and right click and click unhide, and it will unhide everything for you. If you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel. If there's anything you'd like to see me cover in the future, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks and have a great day.